Hello, today's video I'm going to show you about this controller, wherein this controller you can control the flow, the level, the temperature, and even the speed as long as requires 4 to 20 milliamp signal. Okay, so first here we have the process variable. Okay, so it means this is the measured variable coming from the transmitter, and the other one, this one, is our set point, wherein whichever you want to control. Let's say you want to control 50% level, just set the set point to 50% level. Okay, and this one is the output. This is the output that going to the final element or to our control valve. Okay guys, so how this one works? So this one is our process variable. So we can simulate process variable using this knob. Okay, so you see guys, now this one, our measured variable increase. Okay, so as a controller, because we are in manual, this is the set point, wherein in manual there is a tracking relay that whatever the value of our process variable equivalent to our set point. Okay, so here now is our controller output. You can use this knob, you see this one, no, not knob, this push button, to increase the output of the controller. Okay guys, so this is the one that giving signal to our final element or to our control valve. Okay, so let's say this one here is our manual mode. So it means you can control using manual. You can open and close or give signal to the final element. Okay, you can decrease, at the same time you can increase. Okay, so this is our signal to the final element. So when you put in auto, see this guys, when you put in auto, you can increase the set point. So if you want to increase the set point, use only these two knobs here. You see now guys, it's coming up. It means you are increasing the set point. So this is the one that you want to control. Let's say if you want to control 50 tons per hour, just set this one to 50 tons per hour. Okay guys, so this is an example of a electronic controller. So we have this one for changing the value and this one for auto manual. So when there is a light there, it means in manual. When you push on again, it changes in auto. Okay, so this is an example of electronic controller. Okay guys, thank you for watching.